Hello class. As we end our 9th week together, I want to quickly pause and say how much I've enjoyed these past few conversations on the various readings. Our discussion has taken on a more application-oriented and reflective tone. These readings were about insights and lessons learned from leaders in the field. All of you have demonstrated your understanding of diversity and asked and explored these concepts from the perspective of leadership. Questions like, what would it take to implement this? What is the leader's responsibility, and who are the stakeholders that are most impacted? Those are great questions. Exploring diversity at the macro or organizational level is quite different than exploring it at an individual level. There are many moving parts to think of, and I hope that you've gotten a chance to see that organizational and corporate diversity is more than just recognizing and incorporating difference, but that how you approach it and in what context or environment it takes place in makes a big difference. The bottom line is that leaders are crucial to all of it. I shared in the discussion thread some clips from the movie Miracle, which was the story of the 1980 U.S. Olympic ice hockey team. As you considered how the coach of that team created a shared vision of winning against the opposing teams, this same vision works for ensuring organizational diversity. It takes leaders who are willing to empower others and create a shared diversity vision for the organization. The key step for leaders is knowing themselves and their own sense of what that vision is. The focus on our own cultural intelligence helps us see that cultural intelligence means on a bigger scale at the organizational level. In other words, knowing and being comfortable with your own sense of diversity makes us more effective in creating a diverse culture. Next week is the last week of class, and our focus will be to reflect back on our journey together on these past couple of months. At the end of the week, you'll turn in your paper on how to establish cultural intelligence at the organizational level. Remember that you will also include recommendations for how to get that done. I'll have more next week, but for now, finish up what you need to do this week and start thinking about how you'll approach your final assignment. Enjoy the rest of the weekend, and I will see you all online.